How about the 1969 Oldsmobile 442 Holiday Hardtop, Matador Red over Parchment in black, date correct 400 cubic inch V8, numbers matching, turbo hydromatic 400 automatic, true 442, very well maintained, and a great color combination. That's just stunning. Absolutely. Stunning color combination.
It will not last.
It won't last. It will not last. It will last when you buy it because it's well done.
Right.
But it won't last on the market for sale.
No.
It won't last at Classic Auto Mall.
You have to clarify these things. We don't want people getting confused.
You're right.
So
Got to be careful how you write it.
Yeah.